We are on the island of Okinawa in which is it's actually very long and north-south oriented, and so we are about well over an hour, if not more, from Naha Airport, the main airport of the main island, and this is a resort on an island called Kouri-jima, or Kouri Island, and it's called One Suite the Grand. It's a relatively new resort, as you can see. I forgot exactly when it was formed. This is actually a 2-bedroom, and I'll show you both of them momentarily. But it's 22-room luxury resort. The Ocean View Panorama Suite is the top category room at 113, I believe, square meters of indoor space. So you have a dining area, you have a living area here. Very tall ceilings, see from here. So it kind of gives that island vibe, but in a very modern way. So I'll show you the outside in a second, but so here's one of the 2 bedrooms. Looks like this is more of a secondary room. And then we'll actually, you know what? We're gonna come this way because it does have 2 bathrooms. So this secondary room has 1 sink and a shower. So it's good for a family, I guess, or 2 couples, although, again, 1 room is better than the other. So this is the toilet for the secondary bedroom. You have space to put your belongings, along with a safe box. So turning around back this way, you come in this direction, some more places to put stuff in. And another toilet. So this is probably almost certainly the master, in the sense that first you have dual vanity. And you have a tub along with a shower over here. And then coming around, hello. So this bedroom has its own deck, and it has more of a closer up look at the ocean. So Kouri Island is about at least an hour and a half from Naha Airport. So it's not easy to get here. And again, Okinawa does not have public transportation. So either you need to rent a car or hire a driver. And the reason this area, so this area is near the Churaumi Aquarium, which is one of the more renowned aquariums in Japan, if not the entire world. So that was one of the reasons. Kouri Island is off the main, off the big peninsula where the aquarium is at, and there's actually quite a few luxury hotels in that area as well. And then a little bit further south, but still quite a ways from Naha Airport, you have places like the Halekulani and the Busena Terrace. But this place has received an explosion of development recently because of the opening of a resort, an amusement park called Junglia, Junglia, which is kind of a Jurassic Park themed amusement park. I mean, there's no um, obviously dinosaurs running around, but it's actually like an extreme sports or extreme activity place. Look it up. It's hard to explain it. So from here you can see the infinity pool in the main area, in the main reception area. Down below are the terraces from the first floor rooms. So yeah, so this is Kouri Island, or this area of Okinawa is nice if you want to go to Junglia, or if you want to get away from the crowded resort areas, although again this place is expanding with resorts, although not in this island itself. Or if you want to go further north to Yambaru, which is a national park in Okinawa, renowned for some of their mangrove forests. So yeah, so this is the deck. Let me show you at the end. From here, quite expansive. This is the deck for the entire room. I guess you can feel this. I mean, we're here in late December, so I'm not sure you want to be in a tub while looking at the view when it's windy and cold. But anyways, hopefully there'll be better days. We're just happy it's not raining. It's 21 degrees Celsius, so about 70 Fahrenheit. So it's not chilly, but nor is it beach weather. But that's not why we're here. So anyways, One Suite the Grand in Kouri Island, Kouri, in Okinawa. This is the Ocean View 2-bedroom panorama suite, 113 square meters. Hope you enjoyed.